Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make orange lemon peel candy. First, I took 2 lemons and their peels, and I made the juice of 1 lemon. I will boil the lemon peels. Then I will take 2 tablespoons of sugar. I will take the right amount of water. I will add salt as needed. When the water boils, I will add the boiled lemon peels. Later, mix sugar and powdered milk in a separate plate. When the water from the lemon peels dries, mix sugar and powdered milk. The orange lemon peel candy is ready. I hope you will like my candy recipe today. Thank you.